based on their performances on paper. This time a cross comes in for Kerala Blasters. Oh, that was a great header. Now with Mohammad Jasim. Forward pass. It might be an opportunity for Kerala. Is he offside? The referee says no. He has a chance, but yes, he scores. Once again to Sherry Salari. Salari with that lob pass forward. Is there an opportunity? It's still with Kerala Blasters. They are in the 18-yard box, but he just couldn't get the right connection. On the right-hand side, once again, Kerala Blasters have reached. Crossing chance, but Vipin Singh keeps it off target. What a great reach there. And he has a time for himself. Oh, what a strike! Magnificent one. Might be another opportunity. They have taken Vipin Sharma off, but couldn't get the right connection. It's still in the 18-yard box. Cut back inside. And it is even a great clearance. It's still with Kara Singh. And the pressure is still on for Panjim. And they have added the third. Just too easy. Very, very easy for Rodding forward. Looking for his teammate. Passes it to Ebin Das. Ebin Das is blocked down by Akash, but he managed to get past him. And this might be another opportunity. But he has a Panjim player who is trying to block him. This is an opportunity. It's 4. Boy, oh boy. Now the game has very well begun in the second half. Panjim footballers have had a chance. Oh, good play by Kerala Blasters once again. They are on the attack. From the right side, crosses it in. Oh, that was close. Good pass forward. This might be an opportunity for Kerala. Opportunity for a fifth, and they have got their fifth. What a... Oh, it's a woodwork. Onto the far side. Akash. Akash over the top. Gets his header. Oh! And this time on the other side of the pitch. Down the lane. He has still got the ball onto the left-hand side. Good cross. But it is very well got by the Kerala Blasters goal. Forward now to Ebin Das. Ebin Das getting past two of those Panjim players. Gives the ball forward. It's a great ball forward. Can he get to it? He goes down. And that is... And they take their careful steps. But the free kick goes. Big run up there. Oh, it was close. It was indeed close. But